Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Wanted to show you guys something really cool we're doing today. Nothing really complicated, but I thought it was a really cool project and I wanted to share it with you guys. So what I'm doing is I'm making this really simple rustic frame, this picture frame, out of just old pallet wood. And we're gonna use some pocket hole joints back here. We're gonna run a rabbet around here for the insert for the picture. And it's a pretty simple little project, but it does involve a couple of, I don't know, I guess I'd say some basic woodworking techniques that it never hurts to review. If you're a beginning woodworker, this is a fantastic project to get started on. If you're a seasoned woodworker, this is a fantastic project to hone your skills on. Anyway, here we go. We're going to use some real simple tools. I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's go. Here we go. So as you can see here, we're going to start with an 11 by 14 frame. Now the outside dimensions are going to be 17 1/4 inches along the bottom. Now the side rails are going to be 13 3/8 inches. Now inside it's going to be 10 3/8 inches. And we're going to create a spacer for that. And that'll help us keep everything together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop the ends off. And I'm going to start measuring. This is where we're going to mark off a 13 3/8. Start cutting some things up. Do a little light sanding. Now for our router bit actually, it's going to use a bearing that's going to run along the edge of the board that we're going to route. It's going to be 3/8 of an inch across and up to a 1/2 inch deep. This is going to create the groove that the picture sits in on the back of the frame. So we'll take our router and we're just going to run this along the edge of the board, creating our rabbet groove, R-A-B-B-E-T. Not rabbit, like a bunny rabbit. And this is how it's going to look. And it's going to vary depending on the thickness of the board you're using. I'm going to mark off on the long pieces actually a place in a few inches because I'm not going to route the rabbet groove all the way to the end on the top and the bottom pieces. Then we're going to use our Craig jig and we're going to drill in some pocket holes at the top and the bottom of the side pieces. And once we get those drilled, we'll take it out, knock the sawdust out, and you can see, there they are. And now we're ready to start putting everything together. I'm going to clamp one of our long pieces down. This is the bottom piece. Then I'm going to take our two side pieces, and it's going to have the rabbet groove, of course, pointing in. We're going to take our 10 3/8 inch board, our spacer, and put it in here, and this is going to ensure that we get an 11 inch wide groove once we put everything together. Then we're going to screw everything in, create a nice, snug, very strong joint. And we're going to do this on all four corners, and when we're done, I'll unclamp everything and voila, there she is. A really simple rustic frame, nothing fancy, but nice joints, nice tight joints. It's very sturdy, very strong. Flip it over here, you can see there are the pocket holes. And that's it. Really, really simple, really fun to do. Easy project. All right, everybody, so that is it. It was really easy. It only took probably maybe about an hour to do the whole thing. And once you get in the groove of it, you can do it even faster than that. But anyway, pretty simple project. You could make bigger ones, smaller ones, whatever. Just kind of scale it up or down as you need to. Hey, if you have any questions, give me a shout or go see us on any of the social media sites, Apple Valley Farm GA, or come visit us online on our website, applevalleyfarmga.com. woodworkers.com. Like, comment, subscribe to this. This is our YouTube channel, so subscribe to us here. We'd love to stay in touch with you and keep up with you. And if you need us to make you any picture frames, if you don't want to make them yourself, give me a shout. We'll put together some prices, and I'll give you a timeline on when we can do them. Thanks again. Have a good day. Go make something.